Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel if you are already a beauty connoisseur. If you are not, please go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell right here so that you will always know when we upload a new video. And you can become a part of the Beauty Connoisseur family. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is a natural blowout texture by Janet Collection, and her name is Tiana. I'll leave the information card right up here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I have a unit by Newborn Free. It is a synthetic unit. And what is her name? Her name is, it just has the item number MLI303, and it's a magic lace front eye part wig, and she comes in the color DYX brown. This is how she looks on the stock card. She's like an angled bob, and let's take her out. This is what she looks like. A very pretty brown with your dark roots. There's the parting space. It looks very nice. You have a soft brown lace. And I see a couple of wispy hairs. And the cap construction. Have your two combs at the temple, and one comb in the back with the breathable cap. So this looks like it'll be something cute and simple for the summer. And I'm gonna cut the lace and cut the tag, and I'll be right back. So here's the Newborn Free unit that I have on my head, and it is $21.95 from Ebony Line, and it's just a simple, nice middle part and some soft waves. And like I said, it's asymmetrical, and it looks pretty good, except this part right here is not laying flat. I think it's just from the way it was packaged, so I'm gonna try to smooth that down. But yeah, it's just like a simple throw on and go for the summer. No need to try to adhere it down or fuss with it. I thought I saw a couple of wispy hairs, but I don't think that that will be needed. So here's how it looks on the sides, and this is the back. So let me try to fix this little bump right here. Okay, so this is an easy throw on and go unit for the summer, and I did maybe 2 or 3 others previous to this, so I think I'm going to call this a throw on and go playlist and put all these on that little one playlist, and you can see the units that are just throw on and go, simple and easy, no complications. And it really didn't need anything right here, but I just put a little small wispy hair right there just because, but it didn't need it at all. It lays perfectly flat. The blow dryer got that little dent out of the way. So that's all there is to this one. So let's find some Sunnies. And we'll be done. So please like, comment, and share. Give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one.